It's officially October, which means it's fall time, which also means that it's time for everyone to get sick. So the first thing that I wanted to share to get at Costco in October 2024 are these Vicks Vapo Cool cough drops. They have helped my throat so much because I've been super congested, and they like totally numb my throat. It's the only thing that has worked, and they are on sale right now, $10 for this huge bag of 200. But they have lots of other medicines and vitamins and supplements on sale. So let's go inside and see what they have at Costco right now, October 2024. The first thing I see are all of these supplements for immunity because of course we know that everyone's getting sick right now. This is the new Frigidaire Gallery Pebble Ice Machine. This is new to Costco. Usually they have a different model, but it's $199.99 and it is on sale through October 20th. This is a great deal on a Gourmet air fryer. This is an 8-quart, which is a great size, and this year it's new because as you can see there's like a little viewing window. I like the viewing window, and it's quite a bit more like compact than usual. It's not quite as tall, so it will fit underneath a cabinet, and it's on sale for $39.99, which is a really great deal for an 8-quart air fryer. It would make a great gift for the holidays. With Halloween coming up this month, this is probably the best place that you're going to find Halloween candy. This is a great price. Haribo gummy bears are $9.69 for 125 count. That makes it less than 20 cents per ounce, which is a really great deal for trick-or-treaters. They also have this Hershey's variety count. It's 30 full-size candy bars for $19.99, which is a really good deal for handing out for Halloween or for gifting. How cute is this little Bluey family? This is $149.99. Here's a new Christmas offering that is new this year. I haven't seen these before. They're LED little candle orb lights, ornaments. There's 2 of them for $29.99. How cute is this little guy? I mean, he's not little, but this is a super cute plush snowman. It's 48 inches. It's for indoor use, not outdoor use. But he's super soft, super cute. That would be cute like on the inside of a door. And he's on sale for, not on sale, but he sells for $99.99. This is also a really cute Yeti family, $49.99 for this cute little 3-piece Yeti family. Costco always has the cutest Disney stuff and these little village set things. This one's so cute. It's a 13-piece ice skating rink, Holiday Village, $129.99. How cute. My niece loves Stitch. This is such a cute little Christmas Stitch. He is $54.99 and he is just so adorable. Here's a new product. It's a poker table with LED lights. There's 3 different playing surfaces and you can change them. There's some cool LED lights that you can change, and there's a double-sided poker mat as well as a storage bag. It's pretty cool. That would be a cool, addition to a family room or a game room. $229.99. You need to go snatch this up. This is amazing. This is a Lego luggage set. So it comes with a Lego suitcase as well as a backpack. And it is so cute. You can buy these at the Lego store, but they're very, very expensive. It comes in 2 colors, red or blue. And it's $99.99. I'm guessing this one will sell out because it is just such a cute gift. I've never seen these at Costco before. This is the Harvest Right Freeze Dryer. And freeze drying is a great way to save money. And it's kind of fun. I've never done it myself, but my mother-in-law and my husband's grandparents freeze dry all the time. They do pretty much everything. It's a pro freeze dryer, and you have 4 shelves. This is what it includes, and the price is $15.99.99. If you've watched my Amazon bathroom video, you know that I have a towel warmer that I am obsessed with. This one is at Costco for $84.99, and this would be an amazing gift for the person who has everything because I love my towel warmer. You can put a couple towels in there and it warms up your towel while you're showering. It only takes 10 minutes. Auto shut off. It's a nice thin sleek design. $84.99. This is a top fill humidifier set, so it comes with 2 humidifiers. The bonus bundle includes 2 humidifiers, aromatherapy scent pads, decalcification filters, and cleaning brushes, which is actually really nice. There's 2 of them for $59.99. That's a great deal for 2 humidifiers. You definitely want one of these for those winter months that are coming ahead and everyone gets sick. Costco usually sells these little fake candle light things, but I've never seen these ones that have the fairy lights on them. They're very cute. They're gold, and they have those cute little fairy lights around them, so that's kind of cute for the holidays. There's 5 of them for $19.99, and they are battery operated. This is a new find here at Costco as well. This is Sand and Fog Scent Diffuser. Those are really pretty, but I also saw this scent diffuser. This is like a super fancy little aromatherapy scent thing, and it comes with 3 scents. $99.99. Bluetooth connectivity with 3 fragrances. They've brought back the Chefman XL warming tray. This is perfect for the holidays. You can go and just put all of your food dishes on there and it will stay warm. It's easy clean, adjustable temperature, and it's nice because it is on sale for only $39.99 through October 20th. If you like drinking warm drinks that stay warm, this Ember Mug is amazing. I actually have one of these. My best friend gave to me for Christmas a couple years ago. You control it with your smartphone, and it's just the size of a regular mug, but it's a temperature control mug, so you can just tell the cup what temperature you want it, and it will stay that temperature for like hours. So it's really nice. I like to just even like keep soup in it or broth. And this is at Costco for $99.99. This will probably go on sale, but this is a great gift. Here is a Gourmet Settings Eternity 5-piece serving set. These are so pretty. These are for serving like, you know, gravy, mashed potatoes, dishes. Comes in 5 pieces and it's really pretty. $19.99 for 5 pieces. They're stainless steel and it comes with all of those pieces. Do you remember these from last month? They're on sale till the 13th, $10.99 for 3 pieces. I love these bowls. I'm even more tempted to get them now, but I don't need them, but I really do want them. I always remind my readers that October is the best time to stock up on things like pillows, linens, mattresses, things like that, because if you're hosting anyone over the holiday season, it's a great time to get it just done before, so then you're not running out in the middle of November and beating the crowds trying to find stuff like pillowcases, sheets, and all that. Just get it now so then it's laundered and ready for your guests. I love these gigantic ornaments. We actually got a couple packs of these last year and they come in a little variety pack. They're massive, like this is my hand next to them. But these usually do sell out, so come and get the colors and the patterns that you like. There's 6 of them for $19.99. It does come with hooks, and they are so amazing on a huge Christmas tree. Okay, stop it. These are so cute. This is a 3-piece set ceramic Santas, and they are freaking darling. Set of 3 Santas hand painted about 15 inches tall for $42.99. These will probably sell out. These are darling. We have several of these really pretty garlands from Costco. They're lit up. You can get them in this kind of gold neutral color, or you can get them in red. And we have several of these to put around the house over the holidays. And I found that Costco is definitely the cheapest place to get them. They're such great quality. They're 9 foot with lots of lights, $49.99. You can also just come right over here and get kind of a coordinating wreath that is 50 inches. It's also the same price, $49.99. We have this wreath as well. It's gorgeous on the front door and it lights up with a timer. I've purchased these scissors before and they are great quality. They have a lifetime warranty. There's a 3-pack and they're on sale through October 20th for only $6.99 for a 3-pack. Wrapping paper isn't on sale, but the gift wrap tape slash magic tape, scotch tape is on sale. A 6-pack for $9.99. This is a great deal through October 20th. I bought this last year and I still have several rolls I haven't used yet. Right next to it are these super, super cute, they're called kids loungers. It's like kind of a giant like sleeping bag type of thing, but it's kind of like a bean bag as well. There's a Hello Kitty and a bluey one. These are so stinking cute. They're called a floor lounger, $79.99. Super cute. These are the Goy Lights. I think I mentioned these before, but my friend actually bought them for her house. They just stick onto your house here and then you can screw them on. You can adjust the lights, like the colors, they kind of flash. They hook up to your house. You can get them in white or black to match the, exterior of your home, but they're so nice. And if you've ever gotten a quote for permanent lighting on your house, you know that it's thousands and thousands of dollars. This is $319.99 for 150 feet. These probably aren't new, but I did get these a little while ago and they're freaking awesome. They're these choose your shade light bulbs. So they come in 60 watt, 100 watt, and 65 watt. And they're really cool because as you can see here, there's like a little switch and you can switch which shade of white you would like your light bulb to be. So you can have it really nice and warm or super, super cool. And it really takes the hassle out of choosing the wrong light bulb. This is a really popular tool right now. It is a waterproof, rechargeable, just a little cleaning scrubber. I had bought one of these on Amazon, but this one is a really great deal for all of the extra accessories. That's one of the great things about buying stuff at Costco. They just have like lots of extras for the same price or less than what you can get at other retailers. Here's a new gifting idea. There are these gigantic dolls. There's Elsa, Rapunzel, and Moana. I think that's all they have here at my store, but they're 32 inches tall and they come with a little accessory purse. And that is so cute. It would be a super cute gift. $69.99. If you have a Tesla lover in your life, this is a cool, fun toy, even for an adult. It's a Tesla Roadster RC cart. It comes in red or white. That's pretty freaking cool. My husband loves Tesla and that would be a fun gift for him. $64.99 with a remote, real working lights, 13 miles per hour top speed. That's pretty fast for an RC car. I've had a hard time finding these, so you may too. These are the Squishmallow treat pails, so it's a little Halloween bag. I will say it's pretty heavy without anything in it, but there's a cute little black bat one. There's this cute little monster one. And that's all I see, but those are really super cute. If you see any other ones, hopefully you can snag them. These always sell out every year. They're so cute. It's a Halloween house with chocolate cookies and frosting. This would be a really fun activity to do with the kids or grandkids. Look how cute that is. It is ready to decorate, $12.99, which means that this is already assembled. You don't have to assemble the actual house itself, which is great because we all know how annoying that is. Here's a new offering in the bakery. This is a cranberry walnut loaf. It has walnuts, dried cranberries, whole grains. It's hand scored and earth baked. It's $8.99 for this little loaf. Looks good. This is the first time I've seen Ben & Jerry's at my Costco. There's 3 pints of the chocolate chip cookie dough, and it's $9.99 for the 3-pack, which is a good deal, depending on how much it is at your regular store. Right next to it, we have my favorite cream puffs. These are so good to just hurry up and take to like a party, because we all know we have parties all the time in the fall and winter. It's $10.99 for 100 cream puffs. I love making these into a croquembouche or just sprinkling powdered sugar on them, just thaw and serve. These are perfect, but they do go on sale, so just keep an eye out for that if you want to get those later. This is something I haven't seen at our Costco before. They're these Zapp's potato chips. They're kettle style New Orleans. I don't know what that means, Voodoo. I don't know if that means it's like a certain flavor or not. I feel like they should sample these because we don't have these in Utah, so I'm not quite sure if this is like what flavor these should be, but it seems kind of like a barbecue-y flavor based off of the ingredient list. Zapp's potato chips, $5.89 for 24 ounces. This is something I haven't seen at my Costco before. They're lobster sliders. It makes 6 sliders, comes with lobster meat, rolls, and lobster butter. 6 rolls for $39.99. I also wanted to share these instant savings. So the first one are the 18 count Uncrustables for $10.99 through the 20th. And then we also have these Oreo little ice cream sandwiches. There's 24 count for $14.89 through the 20th. They're actually quite large. I sampled these a little while ago. These are super cute measuring cups and spoons. They're copper plated stainless steel. They look really cute and nice quality. There's 10 pieces for $16.99. This is what it comes with. The cups are hand wash only, but the spoons are dishwasher safe. I absolutely love these Felina leggings. They're so soft, they're opaque, they're high-waisted. They used to be a little cheaper, but of course with inflation, they're a little bit up. They do usually go on sale during the season, but they're a 2-pack of leggings for $16.99, which is already a pretty great price. But these leggings are so soft. I've bought these multiple times. October is really the best time to do a full inventory of your pantry for things like flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, powdered sugar, spices, because you do not want to be without when you're wanting to make cookies or pumpkin cake or any of the goodies that we make in the fall and winter. So make sure you stock up on that stuff now. I picked up some of this Zarbee's cough syrup for kids. It doesn't have any of that gross stuff. It has really good ingredients. It's $12.49 for the 3 bottles, which is a really great deal. And it's on sale through the 20th. It's dye-free. I like this Zarbee's stuff. I think it was actually made by someone in Utah, so. Both the Vapo Rub, the Vicks Vapo Rub, and these Vapo Cool Severe cough drop things are on sale. $9.39 for the topical cough suppressant and $10.29 for the medicated drops. I will say these are disgusting, but they really honestly do work in seconds. It's like the only thing that helped my throat when it was hurting so bad. So definitely pick these up. They are way good. Duracell batteries are on sale, which is a great time to stock up on batteries, especially before the holidays. 40 pack for $17.99. We love the Duracell batteries as well. They work really well. We like to put them in our battery daddy. Well, I love Costco during this time of year because it's just full of just that holiday energy, and I love that even though it is very crowded. But I didn't show all of the like winter clothes, winter gear, because I showed that in my September video. So if you haven't already, watch that one right here. It has all of the great deals and like winter things that I didn't mention this time but that are still in club and online. So happy shopping in October, and I hope everyone has a great fall.